Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making it safe. Disconnect the spark plug or battery so the edger cannot start. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection and stabilize the machine on a flat surface. Use wheel chocks if needed. Make sure you have the correct replacement blade, the proper wrench or socket, a blade holder or block, and the manufacturer's torque spec so you won't under or over-tighten later. You next immobilize the blade with a holder or a sturdy block and loosen the center bolt by turning counterclockwise. A breaker bar helps if it's seized. Once the bolt and any washers or spacers are removed, note the blade's orientation so you replicate it. Install the new blade with teeth facing the cutting direction, seat washers as before, then thread the bolt by hand to ensure correct alignment before final tightening with a torque wrench to the spec. You finish by torquing the bolt to the manufacturer's specification. This prevents loosening and avoids warping the blade. Once tightened, lower the edger off supports, reconnect the spark plug or battery, and perform a brief idle test while standing clear. If you notice vibration or wobble, stop immediately. Make sure the bolt is torqued, the blade and spacers are seated correctly, and the blade isn't bent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.